They're just chicken tenders.
Yeah.
But when you order them, if you say, give me buffalo,
they'll do it.
They ask me, they say, hey, can you hand me some sauces? Because the sauces are out front.
In the case.
You hand them some sauces, they'll put them in, shake them up, and then hand them back to you.
They sure do.
And then smoked Gouda mac and cheese, I promise you.
Bam.
I promise you. We got to quit talking about that shit. Welcome back to another episode. And on today's episode, we're going to be talking mac and cheese. Last week was National Mac and Cheese Day. Didn't know that was a damn thing. Kind of glad it is.
Thanks, America.
And our timing couldn't have worked out better because at the time you're hearing this, that was the best mac and cheese we'd done.
That was good. And the roux and the cheese pull was not.
The cheese pull sucked, but the flavor, that was about flavor, not about pull.
Yeah.
I mean, we know how to get pull.
Yeah. You just cram it full of cheese.
Oaxaca or mozzarella, done.
Yeah.
You got pull.
That was a good one, though. I haven't made a roux yet.
That roux,
I'm kind of scared.
That roux, man, my roux have been getting better and better and better. And that one, I'm telling you right now, that one right there. Here's a secret to the perfect roux. I'm going to give you my mac and cheese recipe real quick.
ROUX.
All right, here we go. Quarter cup of butter, salted or unsalted, I don't give a shit. A quarter cup of flour, melt the butter, stir in your roux, toast that flour, let it get a little bit frothy, and then 2 cups of half and half. Slowly stir that in.
Yeah.
Cook that till it starts getting thick like gravy. You'll see it.
Whisk it.
And then once that happens, you need 16 ounces of any kind of cheese of your choice, mix or match. That's what I did, mix and match.
Because it was that Gouda.
There was Gouda smoked. Hold on. There was 8 ounces of smoked Gouda, 4 ounces of aged cheddar, and 4 ounces of regular cheddar, mild cheddar.
And we smoked all of it.
Yep. And then we smoked all that. After you mix your cheese in, 16 ounces of pasta. Mix that together, and you can eat it right then.
Oh, you could, yeah.
Actually,
especially if your pasta's still warm.
The other day, that's how we did it. My test batch, phenomenal. No cheese pull, but the flavor, stupid good.
Yeah, Gouda does have a different kind of thing going on.
Yeah, especially that smoked Gouda. It was so good.
I feel like you get the cheese pull from whatever's on the top. Like you got to slam it with shredded cheese. Yeah,
I was gonna put Oaxaca up there, but then. And I was like, man, this is...
You know what we need to do next time is torch it.
Let's torch the Oaxaca.
Just get a little... the cheese on top, get a little...
The queso flamado.
You know what I'm talking about? The top of the mac and cheese when it's in the oven gets the crispy bits around the outside. Oh, it's so good.
You like that?
I do. You don't like that?
No, I don't like it.
Oh, it's a fine line. You don't want to burn it. Yeah. But just a little bit of color.
Yeah.
I like that.
I've been to enough potlucks.
Well.
That wasn't, a crunchy noodle in there was an uncooked noodle.
Yeah.
But this is the brisket, adding the onions and the jalapenos.
Next level.
Yeah.
That brisket, though, the chopped brisket was awesome. You didn't do bacon this time.
No, I did.
You did?
We did bacon. Yeah, we did a pound of bacon, actually.
That's right. It's already, yep.
And I mixed half of it inside and then half of it on top.
On top. What's the other one we did? The drunken mac and cheese had fried chicken tenders in it.
We gotta change the name of that, too. That was damn good mac and cheese.
It was a fad, though.
It was.
I think it was drunken recipes or something at the time.
We just put some
the internet, man. We move on. What liquor did we put in it? Was it beer and the cheese or something?
It was a beer cheese.
That's right. Still a roux, though. You just thin it.
Yeah. It still works. Yeah. It's still great mac and cheese. But fried chicken and mac and cheese, yes, please.
Oh, man.
Yes, please.
Chunking up those tenders. Somebody sent it to us. Who was it?
I can't remember.
Because it was that and buffalo hot wing sauce all tossed together.
Yeah.
That was good. The buffalo did make that. I don't know, man. That one might have been my favorite. I don't want to disappoint you, but that one was damn good.
I'm just talking mac and cheese. Just straight mac and cheese. Last week was National Mac and Cheese Day. I think this mac and cheese was better than that mac and cheese. Now, all the shit we did to it afterwards... When you use fried chicken, you're kind of coming in a little. That's it's fried chicken.
It's so good.
If you don't like fried chicken,
Yeah, I mean,
especially. I want to go off on a tangent, but you're the one that told me this.
We're still talking what?
Publix.
Oh,
Buffalo fried chicken sub.
It's the people that know.
If you've never had Publix subs,
anything, walk to the deli and eat whatever you can.
We ate there for a week.
Yes. Oh yeah, and they've gotten better. I moved here 10 years ago.
They're doing no.
Are they really?
Yeah.
What can't they do? That makes sense though. You know, they probably got all kinds of
and it's probably better.
Oh, it has to be.
They don't care, man. Shit.
They don't. They're employee owned. They're totally liquid. I say totally.
I wonder if we could get Publix to sponsor us.
I don't know, man.
We'll do it for free. They don't even pay us.
We just get us the food somehow.
It's 10 sandwiches a year.
Oh my gosh, it's so good. Yeah, Publix is just grew up there.
I didn't. Wes told me about it. And the very first one we went to, it was an old Publix.
Yeah, they got a bunch down there.
Were the delis in the very back.
Yeah.
And we went back there, and there were about 30 people standing in line.
Oh, yeah.
I was like, what the?
That's average, just all day.
Yeah, it is.
And then at meal times, it's even crazier.
No. Yeah,
I remember I worked there as a kid. When I was 15. I was a cashier.
That's where they have Gouda mac and cheese.
Yep.
They have smoked Gouda mac and cheese.
They do. They just spoon it out of that big thing.
Yes, they do.
Under the heat lamps.
That's right. Oh, my gosh. If we took this mac and cheese with buffalo chicken tenders.
Oh. Jeez. You could just go to Publix and do it now. If you're listening to this and there's a Publix anywhere around.
Go to Publix.
Get down there.
Their fried chicken. Any kind of fried chicken, wings.
No, they do the buffalo fried chicken, the buffalo chicken tenders down there.
Oh, I know.
Oh.
Yeah. They'll actually, so they're just chicken tenders.
Yeah.
But when you order them, if you say, give me buffalo,
they'll do it.
They say, hey, can you hand me some sauces? Because the sauces are out front.
In the case.
You hand them some sauces, they'll put them in, shake them up, and then hand them back to you.
They sure do.
And then smoked Gouda mac and cheese, I promise you. I promise you. We got to quit talking about that shit.
Go sit out in the sun and have a bite. Thank the good Lord for another day.
Yeah.
Gosh.
So good.
It is good. They used to make a Philly cheesesteak, and they had to stop because I guess it just took too long. But they had a little flat top out behind the deli.
Yeah.
And you could they'd get roast beef out of the case, like the boar's head stuff, and chop up a whole half pound back there. They had onions and peppers and all that. They'd pull them out of the prep area. It was so good. I mean, it was like a hot Philly cheesesteak.
Was it better than Jersey Mike's?
I think so.
Now, they're using steak and ease.
It had a soul. That's why it was good. Okay.
But, I tell you one thing I can't get on board is pastrami.
From anywhere but a legit place.
Boar's Head, they got some fantastic meats.
They do. Not pastrami.
Not pastrami.
We need to do some pastrami. I know we've done cats, but we should do our own.
Yeah.
Soak one for days.
The fastest way to do pastrami, if you're just craving it, this is the ultimate cheat code to pastrami. If you're craving pastrami right now, go to the store, buy you a corned beef, pull it out, rub it, smoke it, wrap it up, and wrap it in foil and rest it for about 2 hours. Inside of that, pastrami.
Didn't we? We put pastrami in mac and cheese too, didn't we?
Yeah. That was damn good, man. Damn good. Damn good.
We've had some macs and some cheeses.
I have not ate yet today, and I am freaking starving.
You're about to go tear down some mac and cheese.
Yeah.
It might kill you.
All right, man. Hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. If you want to make this recipe, I highly suggest for even if you don't put in all the fixings, get it for the mac and cheese portion already, and then go fry you some chicken and buffalo sauce the shit out of it, and then woo! Catch you in the next video. Peace.